Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide blue box around active item in Narrator in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to hide blue box around active item in Narrator in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First click on install, now click on settings. After click on ease of access and click on Narrator. Here option turn on Narrator, so select to on position.
Narrator dialog, OK, button, Alt plus O, heads up. Narrator keyboard changes. We've updated the narrator keyboard layout so it more closely matches the experience you may have had with other screen readers. If you want narrator to tell you what commands are associated with the keys you're pressing, exiting narrator.
So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to hide blue box around active item in Narrator in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest update.